In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix images of variable products that are not showing in Woocommerce. If you've ever encountered this issue, you know how frustrating it can be to have a beautifully designed store with images that don't display correctly. But don't worry, we're going to tackle this together in just a few minutes. First, let's head over to WordPress.com. You'll need to log in to access your dashboard, so go ahead and click on that login button. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the hub for managing your website. Next, we need to navigate to the Plugins section. In the left-hand menu, you should see an option labeled Plugins. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the Plugins page, where you can manage all the tools that enhance your site's functionality. Now, it's time to add a new plugin. At the top of your Plugins page, look for the Add New button and give it a click. Once you're on the Add Plugins page, use the search bar to find the Regenerate Thumbnails plugin. This tool will help fix our images by regenerating thumbnails for all your existing images, which can often resolve display issues. After you've searched for Regenerate Thumbnails, you should see it appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it. The next step is to install and activate the plugin. You'll see a button that says Install Now. Click on that, and after a few moments, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to finalize the installation. Activating the plugin will add its functionality to your site, and we're almost ready to fix those image issues. With the Regenerate Thumbnails plugin activated, navigate back to your WordPress dashboard. You should now have a new option available in your Tools menu, labeled Regenerate Thumbnails. Click on this option to open the plugin's interface. Here you will see various options and checkboxes. For our purpose, you can keep the default settings, which are typically set to regenerate all thumbnails. Simply click the big blue button that says Regenerate Thumbnails for all X attachments. This process might take a few minutes, depending on the number of images you have, but it's an essential step to ensuring that all the images, especially those in variable product listings, are updated. Once the regeneration process is complete, refresh your WooCommerce store and check your product listings. Your images should now be displaying properly. And there you have it. We've just resolved the issue of variable product images not showing in WooCommerce. Now your store can display images beautifully, just as intended. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more WordPress tips and tutorials.